Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in perspective. Draw a horizon and one vanishing point, then place a vertical center line for the tease stem. Once done, measure total height and set the crossbar width with light construction rectangles so you see the form in 3D. Use short, confident strokes. Make sure to keep proportions consistent by comparing stem and bar widths. This early block-in prevents guesswork later and gives clear guides for thickness, edge placement, and for shortening as we build the shape. Now carve the volumes. Project the outer corners of the stem and crossbar to the vanishing point to define top and bottom planes. Next, decide uniform thickness and offset the top and bottom faces using parallel perspective lines. Connect those offsets to create solid edges. Once the boxy volumes read clearly, refine silhouettes by trimming awkward overlaps and softening corners where needed. Make sure to keep a few construction lines visible so the depth remains believable. Finish by cleaning edges, establishing clear light direction, and adding cast shadows plus subtle rim highlights to sell the three-dimensional T. Then confirm accuracy. Project a few critical corners back to the vanishing point to test alignment. Make small adjustments to thickness or tilt if something reads wrong. If proportions feel off, nudge the crossbar width or stem height slightly rather than redrawing everything. A quick fix often solves perspective errors. Remember, small corrections keep the form coherent and maintain convincing depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.